With their monumental entry, Ethereum ETF has shaken up the crypto world, but the real intrigue lies elsewhere. Mystery surrounding the recent revelations that have rocked the investor community, putting Elon Musk back in the spotlight and causing widespread panic. But why is Elon Musk involved, and what does SHIBA INU mean by this? So let's get down to brass tacks. Yesterday marked a historic moment for the cryptocurrency market with the launch of Ethereum ETF just 15 minutes after receiving approval from the SEC. These new ETF achieve an astonishing $12 million in trading volume. This approval, granted on Monday, allowed 9 Ethereum spot ETF to commence trading. The SEC decision came after several rounds of revisions to the issuer's applications over the past few weeks. Building on initial approvals given in late May, this move concludes a long journey to introduce Ethereum ETF following the SEC earlier approval of Bitcoin ETF. With the launch of Ethereum ETF, these funds have become more accessible to traditional investors who can now buy and sell them through their regular brokerage accounts. This is a significant milestone. The newly authorized Ethereum ETF has started strong, attracting a considerable influx of cash, and the chief investment officer at Bitwise celebrated this achievement, noting that we have now completely entered the exchange-traded funds age of crypto. In a recent post on X, Ethereum senior ETF analyst Eric Balunis emphasized the impressive start of the cryptocurrency. He noted that Ethereum had half the trading volume of the Bitcoin ETF on their first day, which is still a remarkable achievement. However, everything took a turn when a tweet caught everyone's attention. Elon Musk had removed the laser eyes from her X profile picture, which caused a wave of concern among investors. Why would Musk make such a change, especially when the market is showing signs of a bullish trend? Elon Musk's decision to remove the laser eyes on the same day that the Ethereum ETF debuted has left many investors perplexed and worried, leading to speculation about Musk's real intentions and the possible effects on the market. The precise reasons for this decision are still unknown, but they were a sign of his optimism towards crypto after President Biden announced he wouldn't run for re-election in 2024. It's clear that Musk's actions still have a big impact on the crypto world. His recent move, which involved removing the laser eyes from his profile picture on the day Ethereum was launched, is intriguing and adds uncertainty to an already volatile market. The question is he trying to signal a change in focus, or is he changing his stance on cryptocurrency trends? Maybe this is an attempt to deflect focus from Bitcoin and onto other crypto-related events, like as Ethereum's new ETF. On the other hand, the removal of a laser eyeballs could indicate something more troubling. Musk might be suggesting a shift in his outlook on Bitcoin or the broader crypto market. This could imply that he sees potential issues or risks that aren't immediately apparent to the public. It's also worth considering that such a move could be a strategic distraction or a signal of changes in his investment strategy or priorities. Given Musk's influence and the timing, it's certainly worth keeping an eye on what might unfold next and whether this change reflects deeper shifts or concerns in the crypto landscape. Despite the intrigue surrounding Musk's move, the Ethereum ETF have shown resilience and made a massive impact. Regardless, they reached an astounding $1 billion in trading volume on their first day, with Grayscale topping the charts. This is particularly noteworthy considering Grayscale's previous actions. Back in January, Grayscale was dumping huge amounts of Bitcoin when Bitcoin ETF were approved, contributing to several market crashes and creating a lot of uncertainty. Now seeing Grayscale leading the charge with Ethereum ETF is a significant turnaround. Instead of causing market turmoil, Grayscale's involvement in Ethereum ETF is setting impressive records. This transformation emphasizes the mutability of the terrain and the impact of many factors on market dynamics. This launch has analysts feeling positive. Although Ethereum's ETF didn't have the same trading volume as Bitcoin's ETF, its successful debut could indicate a wider acceptance and use of financial instruments tied to cryptocurrency. Their impressive beginnings point to an increasing need for diversified crypto investments. Their positive tone sets the stage for future success in the crypto market. Interestingly, their success has also transferred to SHIBA INU. While it may sound a little woo-woo, SHIBA INU had a 7.77% increase in major transaction activity, suggesting a possible future rise. A phenomenon that highlights the unpredictable and multifaceted nature of the crypto market, where seemingly minor factors can have significant effects, is the psychology of lucky numbers, which is sometimes taken seriously in investment decisions and can impact the market performance of digital assets like SHIBA INU. There has been a net positive development in SHIBA INU's network growth, showing a 0.24% increase and a 7.77% increase in transactions over $100,000 in the last week, both of which point to heavy interest from major players. These huge transactions may indicate an accumulation phase when whale investors are increasing their holdings, perhaps in anticipation of a price spike. The expansion of the SHIBA network and the subsequent increase in users and transactions raises several questions, such as how much money will the Ethereum ETF attract in the long run? How long will this excitement last, and most importantly, what effect will it have on the altcoins market? Analyst predictions for the Ethereum ETF are all over the map. In contrast to the optimistic predictions of Eric Balans and James Safart, who put the potential investment in these funds at 20% of what the Bitcoin ETF has received so far, JP Morgan is more pessimistic, predicting that despite a robust launch with $100 million in trading volume, the funds will see lackluster inflows. In the first 4 to 5 minutes after the ETF's launch, the price of EM fell by 2%, reflecting the initial dip in Bitcoin's price when its ETF was released. However, Bitcoin went on to see substantial gains. Ethereum ETF's ability to generate lasting interest is uncertain, but the present level of enthusiasm is sure to cause waves in the altcoin market, which could be good news for tokens like SHIBA INU, among others. As one user pointed out, people don't get this, top 20 alts are still weak. Good news, no further funding is on the horizon. Coin prices with interest have hit new lows and you're staring at them. While all coins are presently underperforming and not drawing much new investment, the tweet implies that once Bitcoin breaches $187,000 to $185,000, the top 20 altcoins will soar. This means that Best Buy is still behind the curve. This could actually be a positive sign. It implies that we might be seeing some of the best buying opportunities now, with prices at historically low interest levels. The idea is that once Bitcoin hits the $185,000 to $187,000 range, it could trigger a surge of new investment into altcoin. If this happens, the top 20 altcoins could experience a significant boost similar to what we've seen with SHIBA INU. What is your opinion on this? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your thoughts. If you're curious to learn more, make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Please like and comment on the video if you enjoyed it. Doing so will help the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share the video widely so that as many people as possible can hear about this important milestone for AM and sell it through their regular brokerage accounts. Hi, Matt, the Chief Investment Officer of Bitwise, rejoiced at the accomplishment, declaring that the crypto industry has officially entered the age of exchange-traded funds. An enormous amount of money has been flowing into the newly authorized Ethereum ETF. Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric Balans highlighted this impressive start in a recent post on X, formerly Twitter, noting that while Ethereum had half the trading volume of Bitcoin ETF on their first day, achieving 50% of that figure is still a remarkable accomplishment. But then something unexpected happened. A tweet caught everyone's attention. Elon Musk had removed the laser eyes from his X profile picture, causing a wave of concern among investors. But why would Musk make this change, especially when the market is showing signs of a bullish trend? The laser eyes symbolize Musk's optimism towards crypto, a gesture he made after President Biden announced he wouldn't run for re-election in 2024. In the crypto community, laser eyes have become a symbol of bullish sentiment, particularly for Bitcoin, suggesting a positive outlook on the cryptocurrency's future. So why did Elon Musk choose to remove these laser eyes on the very day Ethereum ETF made their debut? This move has left many investors puzzled and anxious, leading to speculation about Musk's true intentions and the potential impact on the market. While the exact reasons remain unclear, it's evident that Musk's actions continue to wield significant influence